U MLA ka Sohra ba Gavin Malim ulaong ba ka Thain Sohra ka de ka way na ki Thain ka ba im hakakam ti Dewiong shwaban wan ka Khang ti Dewiong ha usnam hajar kharsao hinrei de ki kam Jngohkai perthei ki bala pen Imja biang yaki habakran bat kilat pathai Khubor u MLA ulaong menta da ka jingkershan shu jengka sorkar ban wan ra khambon ki project Kelanang kentiu arsha eka kam Jngohkai na mar kinong wan kimde shu tang na kari hinrei wat na ki way ki benta jong ka perthei.
Of course, we can't deny the fact that in this past many years, since the coal ban, actually in the year 2014, of course we have areas like NEHU, Mokma, in those years prior to 2014, most of them were dependent upon the coal for their economy. But after the coal ban, we can't deny the fact that the tourism sector has really helped to uplift the economic livelihood of our people in the area. Yes, Sohra has been able to captivate tourists not only from our country but even tourists from all parts of the world. And we can see that slowly the people have started to realize that the tourism sector has really contributed a lot towards the economic livelihood of our people. So of course we can see that all the communities have also given their hand to the government, and especially with these projects under the PM scheme, under the World Bank scheme, under the NDB, we could see that there's a certain proportion that needs to be shared with the government, and the communities have also accepted the offer from the government. And it's due to this fact that we do understand that the people from the area, the communities, have realized that this particular sector has really contributed towards the economy of the area.